In this video, I'm going to show you how to change StrawPage height. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is open your StrawPage, and then from here, whenever you click on an object, maybe like a symbol, maybe some text, whatever, you can see at the bottom there's height, okay? Now, sometimes you could have this at the very beginning over here, so it's not even like a very, very high block in height, but sometimes you may have it like this. And now, if you have some blocks like this, which are actually causing you to have like huge empty pieces of these blocks down here towards the bottom, this could actually make it to where your straw page is going to appear much higher, or kind of much bigger than it actually is. Okay, so to fix this issue, click on a specific symbol or text, and then height should be changed and basically put to the beginning over here, so to the very far left where it's like the smallest block possible, and make sure this happens with every single block on your page. And then when you still do this inside the editor, it appears like this page is very high and there's like a lot of empty space down here. But the reality is that in case you don't have like any invisible blocks or things in here at the bottom, this is not even going to show whenever you publish your site. Okay, so here, to make sure you don't have any invisible blocks, just click on those three lines, and from here you want to go to this page's elements, and as you can see here, those are my only elements. So I have two text, an icon, and a shape, and of course it means there's nothing else, so my page should now be good to go. And if there's nothing here at the bottom, my page is going to be normal. So if I go and publish my site like this, there we go, I can now click on it over here. You'll see that the bottom actually isn't showing at all. So here, this is my page, there we go. This is as high as it is. Okay, there's nothing at the bottom because I've put nothing down there. However, if you have something there, I'm going to show you what happens. It's quite inconvenient. So if I click on the plus button, go towards the bottom here, and then for example just add in like an icon, and for example I'm just going to change the color of this icon to a different color. So let me actually do this, make it white, there we go, so it's not even visible. This sometimes can happen. And if I now publish this, so if I publish my site, I can go back to my site over here and refresh it. You'll be able to see there's a bunch of empty space, and that's simply just because I have some items over here which weren't even visible. Okay, so again, to summarize things up, make sure there's no white colored or like hidden items down here at the bottom via the method I showed you, and make sure these boxes actually are just as big as the icons and of course the shapes and blocks you're currently putting on your page, and this will allow you to avoid your empty space down below on your page. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.